Hello friends, how are you doing today? I hope you all know what IELTS means, International English Language Testing System. Since it's an international exam, that means it is not confined to any geographical region. Anything that's been asked by the examiners in one part of the world can certainly be asked in another part of the world. For example, if a student is going for a speaking exam in Canada, the same speaking exam can be held in India, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, or any other country. That means students need to prepare accordingly. Whatsoever the updates we get internationally, we must be well prepared accordingly because it would really help you to prepare better. It would help you to sit in front of the examiner far more confidently. Now, what is the prime objective behind this video? Today's video is making you understand that don't say that this test was in UK or in Canada. I am looking for a test in India, or being specific to a state. For example, being a Punjabi student, you say that I'm looking for a test that the examiner can ask you in Punjab. There is nothing like that. For example, I can share a test here with you that the test taker underwent during his interview in Canada. It can be the same test that the examiner can ask you in here as well, no matter Gujarat, Punjab, Bangalore, or any other country. That means if you are preparing, you are keeping yourself up to date with the new test that the examiners are asking, you can certainly score better in your IELTS speaking exam if I talk about particularly. Now, how you can do that? It's pretty much easy with me. All that you need to do is join me on Telegram. My Telegram handler is right in front of you, or you can click the description of this video to directly click the link to join me on Telegram. At the same time, we'll try to share the link in the comment section and pin it for you. All that you need to do is join me on Telegram, and on regular basis we share the latest test happening all different parts of the world, and that test you should prepare because it can be exactly the same test that the examiner can ask you in your real speaking exam. Now, it's just the test. How you can prepare? Well, there are certain ways to prepare it. The first thing is that you can watch my YouTube videos. Almost on every particular cue card, you will find my YouTube video that would help you in the preparation of the cue card. Apart from that, you can purchase my IELTS Speaking Booster, an electronic book that contains the latest content of the IELTS exam. And the beauty of this book is that it gets updated automatically and on a regular basis. Now, if you find any difficulty in the preparation of introductory, cue card, and the follow-ups, you need not to worry at all because Speaking Booster contains everything, and this book can be unlocked in less than 30 seconds. So all that I would recommend you in this video is join me on Telegram to get the latest updates related to the IELTS exams happening all over the world, and do check the Speaking Booster, as it is going to be a very handy electronic book to clear the IELTS speaking exam. Let me quickly show you how you can purchase Speaking Booster.
क्या आइल्स स्पीकिंग से डर लग रहा है ये सोचकर कि एग्जामिनर पता नहीं क्या पूछेगा? लेकिन क्या आपको पता है एग्जामिनर जो भी पूछेगा स्पीकिंग बूस्टर से ही पूछेगा। एक ऐसा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बुक जिसमें है लेटेस्ट इंट्रोडक्टरी टॉपिक्स, क्यू कार्ड्स एंड फॉलो-अप्स। A book to ensure your success in IELTS speaking exams. The most trusted ebook available at special discount. Just follow 4 steps and unlock Speaking Booster book in less than 30 seconds. First of all, download IELTS coaching application from Google Play Store. If you are an Apple user, then download My Institute app and enter code IELTS IELTS. On home page, click on Store and choose Speaking Booster. Click in Buy Now and pay online to unlock the book for next 6 months. And that's it. You're done. Happy bye.